Hi everyone, this video is presented by Kalayarasan BTech IT. In this video, I will explain about the topic of virtual chatbot. Let's get into the video. Now let's see about the virtual chatbot. What is chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that simulates human conversation through the voice commands or text chats. Chatbot is a short form of chatterbot. It is an artificial intelligence feature that can be embedded and used through the many major messaging applications. This tool can help to add convenience for the customers. Virtual chatbots are computer programs that can mimic human conversations. They are commonly used in the online customer services to provide the quick automated chatbot responses to common questions. Virtual chatbot can also be used for the entertainment such as in chat rooms or social media platforms. Now let's see about the problems with old technologies. The first point is the search software only provides us link to various sites like Google or Bing. And second one is the search engine may not able to find the desired informations. The sites may contain ads. The search engine may not be able to provide the relevant results. The search engine may not able to find most popular websites. Let's see how these technologies approach on the problems nowadays. Provide instant answer for your questions. If you ask question to the chatbot, it will reply fraction of seconds. No ads. Nowadays chatbots are not contain ads. User friendly. Chatbots are very easily to use nowadays. Result for using machine learning algorithms also is supported. Now let's see about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by an OpenAI, which is capable of generating human-like text-based input is given. The model is trained on the large corpus of text data. ChatGPT is an innovative move to build a connection between humans and bot that connect so seamlessly that is almost feel like a natural conversation. It is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. This technology has been combined with the artificial intelligence algorithms to offer solutions to their users just like a normal messaging applications. Next one is top applications of AI chatbots. Virtual reception assistant, virtual help desk assistant, virtual tutor or teacher, virtual driving assistant, virtual home assistant, example Google Home, virtual operation assistant, example Jarvis from the movie of Iron Man, virtual entertainment assistant, example Amazon Alexa, virtual phone assistant, example Apple Siri. Now let's see about the where AI can applicable information. If you ask information to this chatbot, it will reply about the information you asked. Like if you ask how to cook biryani, it will reply about the process of how to cooking the biryani. Working. Working also same as informations. For example, if you ask the chatbot to write a program in Python to print a Fibonacci series, the chatbot will send the program of Python Fibonacci series. Requirements: mobile or PC and internet is enough to use this visual chat. Technology used: Python used in the artificial intelligence with the Python programming language script commonly used by the developer with TensorFlow module. Let's see future enhancements. Advanced voice assistant. That means technology that allows user to interact with the computer using their voice. Voice assistant can be used to control a variety of devices like including computer, mobile phones and home appliances. In futures, chatbots are available in WhatsApp and more. Support multiple languages in future like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi and etc. I hope everyone understood what is artificial intelligence and why chatbots are more important. I conclude my session with this presentation. Thank you for giving me this chance. Thank you.